And today we're going to be doing a make your own sandwich challenge. And for the sandwich challenge, I want to invite my brother Ben.
Hi guys, I'm Ben.
He's a bit crazy sometimes. Okay, so here are the ingredients.
So we got strawberry, banana, blueberries,
some pasta, some different type of pasta.
yeah, Nutri-Grain
And some crackers.
yeah.
The chili flavor. Okay, so the aim of the challenge is to try to create an animal using only these ingredients, no other ingredients, only these ingredients.
Only.
Yes, only Ben. So, should we get started?
Okay.
Okay, so here are what we're going to be using. So my Mummy Don has been toasting some bread for us. Okay, so using the ingredients, we are going to make the animals. So let's see, what am I gonna make?
Maybe you should make something with whiskers.
Whiskers. Should I make a chihuahua?
Huh?
It's a type of dog. I'm gonna try to make it. Okay, so I'm gonna slice some pasta.
Wait. What should I make? Maybe I should make a monkey.
So we actually got some special spreads. We've got some Nutella.
And we got some Philadelphia
cheese spread. So I'm gonna get the pasta and I'm going to chop them. Are you scared?
Maybe I should just get Nutella and do my spread.
There's something
first.
in the pasta. Cut that out. Oh, there's some macaroni in the pasta. I don't know when that was there. Okay, so I have some pasta. Now I'm gonna chop it up into bits. Benny, what are you doing?
Nothing?
Why do you have Nutella on your hand?
I don't.
Well, that was weird. Maybe I should do some Nutri-Grain. Let's get some Nutri-Grain. So I'm gonna get one Nutri-Grain for the nose. Like that. Looks so cute. Okay, now for the ears, I'm going to get some crackers. I love these ones. Okay, so I'm gonna get some strawberries for the middle of the ear. So I'm gonna put it right at the end and in the middle of my plate on the ears.
And I think I'm done. I made my monkey.
That's amazing. Looks so cool. Now I'm gonna do my eyes. Okay, now let me get some blueberries. What are you doing?
Nothing. I can't see anything.
I thought you had a knife with Nutella on it and you was licking from it. But
Nah,
anyways, I'm just gonna get some blueberries. They're frozen. Makes it yummy.
I'm gonna load my sandwich with more Nutella because I love Nutella. I haven't had Nutella for
Since
like
I got all my ingredients, I'm gonna get my sandwich and I'm gonna get my ingredients. So first I'm gonna do the ears. Wait. What did you just do?
Nothing.
I'm just putting it under. That's weird. Putting it under straight like there and here, right in the middle of the eyes. Under. Okay, now I'm gonna get my strips and do 1, 2. What did you say?
Nothing.
3, and then I'm gonna get another 3 for my second batch. And then I'm gonna put it down the other side. Why is your hand on the knife?
Nothing.
Ew! That's weird. He put Nutella.
No, I didn't. That's not Nutella. That's Nutri-Grain.
No. What am I gonna do now? Since he ruined it. He ruined mine. It's okay. We'll just forget what he did.
Yeah, I did nothing. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, let's show our creations first. So this is my monkey.
Mine
And
and
this
Benny
is-
ruined it, so... Oh, my eye fell off. My eye fell off. Here's what it actually looks like, but forget that.
This is mine. And let's eat it.
Tastes really good. What's that? What are you doing? What are you doing? Calm down, calm down, calm down. So now let's get on to round 2. We are going to be making different animals.
Yeah! Maybe I should make a bird, right, Lily?
Let's see, what am I gonna make? Maybe a bear. I think a bear sounds nice. Now I'm going to be using Nutella.
And I'm gonna use cheese. Okay, guys, I think I'm done.
Okay,
Have a
so
look at my
now I'm
creation.
going to do banana and straw. Then I'm gonna do 2 little eyeballs in the middle.
Cheese is so yum. Look how much I can eat.
I'm gonna do banana for the nose and some little strawberry on the top. Looks so good. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, you can't see it because I don't want to tip it. I don't want to tip it. Here.
What's that, Lily?
It's a bear.
That looks cute. Look at my chick.
Thank you for joining us today. And if you want to make some of the animal sandwiches, it's really easy. Just grab a couple of the things that you like, and you
Yeah,
can
ask
just-
your parents' permission first, okay?
Yeah, ask your parents' permission first, and then you can get a slice of bread and make your own animals, like a bear or any other animal you
Or
like.
you can make a lily.
Thanks for joining us in Lily's World of Fun today, and remember to
Subscribe.
like and share. See you next time,